I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. Them niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. Them niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. 100 shots, I want them dead. Niggas capped out, man, they scared. Drop that Addy and I'm there. Best believe I'm coming fast. These niggas hate, they really fans. I'm on your block, I want my man. Pop his ass just like a pill. His bitch shooting.
What's good today, guys? We're doing a wicker bill install on my boy Josh RT. Stay tuned, I'll show you what we're doing. Pretty easy install. You know, something you can do yourself in your garage. All you need is a drill and a riveter. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so we've got the wicker bill here, the riveter, some drills. These are the rivets that goes in. As you guys can see here, and don't mind the dust, I'm drilling holes. But what you do pretty much is just drill the holes in the back, put the rivets in with the riveters, make sure they're nice and secure. All right, then you're gonna put the wicker on, screw them in, good to go.
Probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. Them niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. Them niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. I'm probably in your bitty bullin' with my chopper on the dash. I'm on Perkins, bro, done swap me out of Roxy in my stash. She be trippin', had to cut her off, I know she getting mad. These niggas sad because we bought a bag and they still on the ass. I need the gas and swerved in the jam. Fuck around and crash, my be a man getting on my ass. Because I wrecked the shit, but it's alright cause I'ma flip these zips, then we can get it beat. I catch my opera, I'ma flip this shit. My Zzoe walk down for real. That shorty bad, but she throwin' that, she hoeing around for real. He think he gangsta, come and try to clean another nigga kill. Bro, this shit real, bro died off a pill. That shit hurt my heart, them pistol sparkle hit you in the dark and now you hear a car. I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. You niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass.